say you are, do what you say you're gonna do. It's a mentality, man. You gotta have a mentality of success. The problem, man, with most people is they already live defeated. I don't know if it's the way they were brought up or what. I'm on track to get a supercar, right? It's gonna happen. It's just, you gotta work hard, it takes time. I think a lot of people, man, they limit themselves to think, never gonna have that. Maybe their dad told them, like, man, you're never gonna have that. You weren't born with that kind of money. Like, I've heard it all, dude. And that's the thing, man. You literally, right now, if you are 20 years old in 2021, you have a crazy opportunity, okay, ahead of you because of technology and how rapidly it keeps advancing. Social media, YouTube, right now is the time. I just read that they're pumping like billions of ad revenue into YouTube, which means y'all need to start a channel, dude. The more car content out there, the better for all of us, okay? You can't be selfish. You can't think you have competitors. You want competitors. You want people to start a channel. You want it to be better than yours. Maybe you can learn something from that channel, right? That's how you should be thinking for success. I'm gonna put my car in map 0 before I remove everything, but I'm gonna check this oil catch can. Man, I drove this thing hours ago and it's still hot in here. I can touch it, but it's still putting off a lot of heat, which is crazy to me. That's why, guys, the front mount intercooler, man, especially in the warmer weather climates, it's a definite must. That was operator error. I was going the wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey is the opposite in this situation. Couple thousand miles. I just did the oil catch can giveaway video. Not long at all. Isn't that insane, guys? That's quite a bit, man. What is this, like 1,500 miles? Watery, so it's probably from the E85. Colder temps. Glad I got this. Probably the most important mod you could do for this car. First thing I would do if you plan on doing anything to it. First thing I would do, period, even if you don't plan on modding it. You want to... Oh my gosh. My e-bike's hanging here and I totally spaced it out. Anyways, pop your hood. This thing is extremely hot from that test drive I did. So what I did is I just put it in map 0, man. I want the ECU, the car, to get used to the JB4 being disabled. Map 0 disables the JB4. Pop your trunk, or I should say pop the hatch. I better remove the sub and the fire extinguisher. They'll probably try to blame the rattles from the sub. Here in my garage. Okay, guys, put the key fobs in there, 15 feet away from the car. It's been 15 minutes. ECU's asleep. Now I can disconnect the battery. Then I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and I'm just gonna remove the JB4 first. I'm gonna remove it completely this time. I'm not gonna hide it because, like I said, there's a squeak issue. I'm gonna report everything to you guys. So I got an update here, man. So I was removing this passenger side filter. You know, I may have over tighten this a little bit, right? The combination of the heat and everything, that's not good at all for the amount of air that these things suck in. Just that little gap in that metal, like right there, something could get in there and destroy this thing. So I just sent a picture of this though to engine. Oh, one more thing. Over here on the driver's side, there's a bushing, right? So that broke as well. So I sent them a picture of this on Instagram and literally they read it and responded and said, just send a picture to this email address that they gave me, I'll link it, and that they have the best warranty and thank you for making videos, etc., blah, 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 and they'll ship them out within a day. Now that is why Engine gets the praise that they get, man. Top-notch company, dude. Customer service means a lot to me. You don't want to have to get the run around and wait for days, man. I got a mess to clean up. Job is done. My car has officially lost all of its testosterone. Oh crap, I gotta put those back on. Moment of truth. What the was that? Did you guys hear that? Man, that sounded really weird. Also, let's make sure the amp turned on. I hope I didn't blow a fuse. Nope, we're good. My girl's pissed. So, you know, we're not gonna do anything crazy. I just want to drive the car around. I'm freaking out of gas. I didn't even realize that. what? I know this car like the back of my hand in the last 10,000 miles. I mean, it's quick. It's got that low down torque. And like I said, I got 30 miles till empty, so I'm gonna actually turn around. The JB4 with the intakes is a whole new experience with this car. Like, night and day difference. Just got some Chipotle and it's raining. But I actually need to get some footage of this car in the rain, dude, because it's actually looking fire right now. That ceramic really helps repel a lot of this rain and dirt. So here's the thing, man, like that Mother's CMX is really the only one, like as far as going to AutoZone, O'Reilly, any place like that and grabbing up some detail products, they are by far the best. For a while there, you couldn't even get that. The Mother's CMX, it was actually hard to find, man. On Amazon, it was always sold out, and every time I went to O'Reilly, it was sold out, so I bought a couple bottles. So definitely give them a try. Anything that is like permanent, you know, like I hear these companies say they have a lifetime ceramic coating, diamond, shield, whatever. I don't know, man, that seems a little too hardcore because I feel like you gotta correct paint from time to time, so I wouldn't really want something to last that long. A year, that would be cool. You know, it's time consuming to be doing it once every 6 months, so once a year would be sick. And that ceramic really helps, not only just with the shine, but it really helps protect your paint, for reals. So if you're going through, you know, Mike's Car Wash and places like that, Crew, it's going to help. But if you have a black car, guys, I'm sorry, it's just extremely high maintenance. I think you guys feel me on that. If you have ever had a black car or you have a black car, it's very, very, very tough to keep looking perfect all the time. But when it is looking good, it's looking good. Yeah, it's really coming down. However, good news is I pulled it in the garage, and as you can see, it just falls right off for the most part. So, all right, guys, it's that time. You know what time it is. Gotta go to the dealer. You know, we're dropping this off today, guys, for its second service. As you can see, we are at, what, 10,000 miles? So, second oil change, but we got the hatch rattle, we got the seat rattle, and the squeak under the hood. All the stuff's removed. All I'm coming in here with is an MBRP exhaust, which was on here the last time, so I'm hoping that, you know, we don't have any issues, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted, faux show. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be okay. Ooh, I think I see a ceramic silver Kia over there. What do you guys think of these Tellurides, dude? These all blacked out Tellurides. You know, when I see the headlights on these things, I just always take a double look when the daylights are on. Freaking sick. Scat. Love these C8s, man. Damn, is this a Hellcat Durango? What? I think I'm gonna have to ask him to go for a test drive on this to see if they'll give me this as my loaner or this. This would be a sick loaner right here, bro. Oh my gosh, black gloss wheels. Just as gorgeous, dude. All right, guys, we're at the Kia dealership, man. They got some pretty sick cars here, actually. Hellcat Durango, C8 Vet. This is a brand new Kia dealership, and it's like state of the art, man. Like super nice looking. The service guy was super cool, so I think everything's gonna be all right. I'm not gonna trip about it. So, guys, the guy I was just talking to is trying to upsell me into a Scorpion, right? And he's like, you know, if you install intakes and a chip, you can get 480 horse. And then he said, if I have them do it, it won't void the warranty. So that's a great sign. I got screwed. Car has aftermarket exhaust. Looks like a tuner has been installed and the turbo boots have been pried on. What the turbo boots pried on? Jeez, man. I just hate dropping my car off places, bro. I just do, man. Unfortunately, I have some horrible news. Now, a lot of dealers are very, you know, they have discretion. Some dealers will offer to install spark plugs, JB4s, you know, lower the car. They'll do stuff for you, and the warranty will not be void if you take it to them. But I got a text message, and yesterday, I got a text message from the service guy. Maybe I can throw it up on the screen. And it's not good. So basically they don't want to fix the hatch rattle because there's a carbon fiber spoiler that weighs 5 ounces. It's like paper light on the back. Even though I took it to another Kia dealership to have them fix the rattle already once before. Plus, that hatch has been rattling long before I put the freaking spoiler on, so that's BS. What else? They didn't even fix the seat. They just refused to do any sort of diagnostic or fixing anything. The only thing I got done was the oil change. And man, guys, this dealer is so horrible. There's oil all over the freaking vanity cover, the turbo vanity cover. It's just a mess, dude. They didn't check the coolant. My low tire pressure light's on. They didn't check the tire pressure. They didn't do anything. All they did was literally change the oil, and they did a super sloppy job. So basically, this is the worst case scenario for a dealer. They even took the oil catch can off. The only performance mod I went to the dealer with was a catback exhaust. The notes on the invoice say aftermarket parts are installed. Looks like a tuner was installed. Turbo boots pride. Dude, everything looks the way it was the day I got it. I was very careful to put everything back to stock. The tech decided, and this is the risk you guys run, and I've been saying this in the comment sections when I respond to you guys. Just because it's a piggyback tune doesn't mean they can't find out. There are data logs that are kept on the ECU on board that they can tap into, and they can verify if there are abnormal ranges of boost. Okay, that's a fact. I mean, they really have to go out of their way to do that. And I got the worst idiot mechanic ever. If you're watching this, you're a hater, and you're stupid. But you know, guys, I'm in a spot now, man, where I'm gonna go back to this other dealer where I got the car. The one I went to drop it off was a brand new dealer, and I was told that they moved locations from where I originally purchased the car, which that is true. They did move, but there's 2 dealers. They just moved down the road, and this other one, the brand new one I went to, is a second one, so it makes no sense to me. I wasn't aware. So hopefully that this other dealer can make it right. They seem a lot cooler. If not, I'm really gonna have to rely on you guys to help me out, man. I'm gonna need those subscribes and likes, comments, shares. Help me get some more views, because right now, guys, this channel, this whole time I've been making videos, cost much more. There's no profit being made from YouTube, put it that way. So I'm gonna try to do some merch and stuff like that, and I'll link a store to my YouTube channel. Grab some merch. That would greatly help me out. But yeah, man, unfortunate, guys. You know, I gotta kind of sit back and assess the situation. You know, I want to continue the build. I still got the lit snorkels to install. I have 2 other parts coming that I need to install. It's 39 degrees out right now, so, you know, I'm facing a few obstacles. But, you know, you can't get mad and use anger as a tool in life to get what you want. But yeah, man, it's a bummer. It really is a bummer. I wish it didn't happen. You know, like I told you guys before, man, I'm here to provide 100% transparency, honesty, and to be helpful, to show you guys how to install stuff and everything. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna stop doing that. You know, this is an obstacle, but if the YouTube channel can take off, then it won't matter. You know, I can continue to provide value with installs, entertainment, pulls, digs, dyno videos. I got so much stuff I want to do. Some stuff may get delayed, because here's the deal. I need to be in a position to where I can replace the $6,000 motor or a couple $1,000 turbos. Well, if that was the case, I would just get bigger turbos and really modify it. But things are expensive when big things break. Transmissions, engines blowing, turbos, you know what I mean? Thousands of dollars. And that would be out of my pocket. I just have to really assess the situation to make sure it's going to be worth it. And I know YouTube takes time. I'm about to go to the other dealer today, and then I'll just make this whole video, tie it all in together. If Kia can't help me, man, I'm just gonna have to, you know, shed a lot of light on my experience thus far in the locations of where I've been, and just really emphasize the quality of these cars, man. Beautiful cars, I love it. I'm not gonna turn into a Stinger basher. Even if I sold the car, traded it in for another twin turbo car, I'm not gonna be like that, because I love this car. It's my favorite car I've ever had in my life. The quality's not the best, but design, power, attention, being different, there's a lot of wow factors. I love it. The way it responds to the mods, it's just amazing. So, but yeah, man, we got to get this figured out. We got to get this sorted out. I may need your guys' help. So I will keep you posted.